Hello, kids. For your inquiry today, we're taking a look at the concept of boundaries through another angle or another lens. And so we've got a little discussion prompt here, but first you're going to need to go into the Epic Library. And what you're going to do in the search bar once you're in is you're going to type in the words, "I'm new here." So you can see it right here, how it's spelled, "I'm new here." And it gives you two choices. And the choices, you can either read the book on your own or have the book read to you. And so I want you to either read it all the way from start to finish or listen to it all the way from start to finish. And then I want you to be thinking about how you're going to answer this question in the discussion thread. So the question is, how can language be a boundary? So here are the full instructions. After reading or listening to the book, "I'm new here" in the Epic Library, answer the question in the chat. How can language be a boundary? So you could use examples from the text. You can come up with examples that are both in the text and outside of the text, or your own real world examples of how language might be a boundary between people or for a person. Good luck and have fun. I hope you enjoy the story.